What's up everyone? This video is about how I got this look. It's just a 3-minute video, so please keep on watching. I started with the Garnier cream and then the Pond's BB cream. It acts as a primer usually for me. Then I went with my foundation. I spread it across my face with the help of my hands. You can use a beauty blender or a brush as well. Then I went for my eye makeup. I did not really go for a gaudy eye makeup. It was a very simple eye makeup. I chose a navy blue eyeshadow. The color was chosen depending on my outfit. I used a eyeshadow blender brush here. Then I chose a white color just to give it a little different look and reduce the only blue look. Then I took my concealer and I concealed my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, under my lips, and also the contour lines, and blended it with the help of a beauty blender. You can do it with your hands as well. Then I baked my concealer with the help of a face powder. You can also use a compact or any face powder that you have. Then was my favorite part, that is applying the winged eyeliner. I went for a medium length winged eyeliner. Then I went for the blush. Now this blush is of the color brown and a pink mix, so it acts more like a bronzer look. It gives more of a bronzer look or a contour look, so I used that rather than going for contouring. And then I continued with the highlighting of my nose, my higher cheekbones, and also a little above my lips. Then I defined my eyebrows with a black and brown shade. Also, the contouring part that I said that I usually do is when I don't have time for doing the entire face contour. Here I went for the last step, that is the lipstick. I chose a dark brown color, again depending on the color of my outfit. Well, yeah, so that was it. This was the final look. So if you liked what I have done, please do let me know and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also in the comment section you can tell me if I can improvise somewhere or you want to see something more in makeup. Surely I would take that advice. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, take care.